Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here and I'm at Schwab. Now this is the first time I've showed you guys this account. So here we go. My goal here is to do dividend investing and part of the whole FIRE thing. So that's the goal. So you can see here a bunch of different stocks. You can see gain loss on these. So you can see the first two, QYLD, QYLG, are both at 1,000. I want to get all these to 1,000 sooner or later. So for today, I'm going to get another one in the Russell. You can see there. But here is the cool feature. You can do quick buy, and then go down here, number of shares, 1. Okay. We're going to make it a market order. Just make it easy. So review and place the order. Okay, you can see it was executed pretty quickly. All right, pretty good deal. And now I'm going to go back and refresh the screen. Okay, you can see I have another share in there. And then here's the income. This is what I'm going to get for the rest of the year. This is for next year. So $400 a year. Not bad, but not even close where I need to be. So this is just one of the things that I'm doing to build the dividend portfolio. So you guys want to follow along, join the channel, and get all these updates. But yeah, pretty cool deal. I like this Schwab account. I eventually want to have about 20 different stocks with a yield of at least 10% each. I know a couple of these aren't that I started with. I started out with the Vanguard, and it's only like, what, 4% or something yield? That's 3%. That's pretty low. So then I also added, this one was the next one that I started with, and it's 4%, not real great. And then I graduated up to these that do yield a lot better, 12%, right? This one is over 13%, I believe. Yeah, 13.4. Pretty good deal, right? Jeepy. I like the way that sounds. That's pretty cool. All right. But you get 12%. Not bad, not bad. And boat. Okay. Also 11% almost. So, yeah. A lot of good stocks here. If I get 50,000 in this account, okay, I'll be yielding about 5,000 a year. So when it gets to about $500,000, I'll be at my goal of 50,000. But that's going to have to be probably combined between all my accounts, not just this account by itself, because I'm only adding about $200 a month to this account. So it'll take a long time to get to $500,000. So, tell me what you guys think. And if you're interested in more dividend investing and investing in stocks and options, subscribe to my channel. And consider joining the channel for my real-time stock trades. Now, a lot of these trades that I do, just onesie twosies, I don't put on there. It's more when I do the bigger buys and bigger executions and options that I post those. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later, and I hope to see you in the private stock group. Thanks for watching.